Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to swap two numbers without using the third variable. So let's start this program. In the first line, we have created a function swap numbers. Here, this function takes two arguments a and b, which represent the two numbers that need to be swapped. Now we will see the swapping logic here. This logic uses arithmetic operation. The method uses three arithmetic steps, addition and subtraction, to swap the values of a and b without needing the third variable. So we'll see the first step. Here the first step, a is equals to a plus b. First, the value of a and b are added together and stored in a. Now, a holds the sum of both numbers a plus b while b remains unchanged. Now, in the second step, b is equals to a minus b. After step 1, a holds a plus b. Now, we subtract the original value of b from the new a minus b, which gives us the original value of a. This updated value of b is now the original value of a. Now, we will see step 3. At this point, a holds a plus b from step 1 and b holds the original value of a. Now we subtract the updated value of b, which is the original a, from a to get the original value of b. This updated value of a is now the original value of b. After these three steps, the values of a and b have been swapped. Now, in the next line, the function returns the swapped values of a and b as a tuple. Now, let's see the next line. In the next line, the input function is used to prompt the user to enter two numbers. In A, it is asked the user to enter the first number. In B, it is asked the user to enter the second number. Here, the int function is used to convert the entered value into integer. Now, in the next line, the function swap number with parameters a and b is called with two input numbers. Now, the function performs the swapping using arithmetic operations and return the swapped values. Here, the returned values are unpacked and assigned back to the variables a and b. Now, in the last line, this line prints the swapped values using f-string formatting. The values of a and b after the swap are displayed. So let's check this program. I am entering the first number as 5 and the second number as 8. So it will swap the numbers and see, after swapping, the first number is 8 and the second number is 5. So thanks for watching this video.